my 14 days of love. So I had this idea in my head and I wanted to kind of like schmack it right on my face. It was inspired by my bubble look that I did, inspired by James Charles. I did the bubbles in a really similar way, and I wanted to do the music notes in a similar way, kind of like they're coming out of my mouth. So that's what we have here. I don't really know what I'm gonna call this just yet, but I'm sure I will figure it out. But I hope you guys like it, and if you want to learn how I got this look, and hopefully I got some of these music notes on camera, then please keep on watching. Hi guys, we're starting off with the Wonder Glow primer from Charlotte Tilbury. Then we're going to use a pore filling primer. This is the new one from Tarte. We're just going to take a little on our finger and rub it in all the areas where we need it. I'm going to be using the Naked Skin foundation all over my face. Finally guys, a foundation that matches me, right? I'm then going to highlight and conceal with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm just going to blend that out with a little sponge, as I always do. And then we're going to set everything with some powder. I am using, you know, if we stopped blending for a second, there we go, there's the powder. I feel like I spend so much time on my concealer. I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, and I'm just going to blend that all over my face. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit. You know, we're taking it back. We're taking it back because this is old, you guys. Then I'm using the Buxom Wanderlust blush on the apples of my cheeks, and then I am using the Rebound setting mist from Urban Decay. I'm just going to spray all of that all over, and then I am going to apply my highlighter, and we're going to move on to the next step. I'm going to apply the highlighter on my brow bone and also my inner corners as well. Just wanted to keep the eyes and the face kind of simple for this look. You'll see why, if you didn't already see why in the beginning of the video. I'm then going to apply the Lights Camera Lashes mascara from Tarte and pop on these Aqua Lagoon lashes. And then I'm going to line my eyes with the Maneater liquid liner. I did like a little wing. Again, I wanted to keep it really simple, but with the little music notes that I'm gonna do later, it kind of went with some wing liner, so that's what we did. So here I am popping on those lashes. I don't ever do this on camera, hence the mirror in front of my face. Then I'm gonna use this Makeup Forever. This is kind of like a thing if you want to do this. I did this with my first 14 Days of Love video with the little EKG, the heartbeat across my face. I used a lighter eyeliner just to kind of almost like trace out where I wanted the music notes to be. You don't have to do that if you're confident. I'm then applying this Doll 10 lip pencil and a CoverGirl lipstick. Again, sorry, I'm not in frame. Gosh, I really gotta start like really paying attention, but I get so into what I'm doing, and I have the music playing. That's why I do voiceovers for these creative looks like this. But here I am drawing the music notes. I just looked up a picture of all different kinds of music notes and I just drew them on my face. As you guys know, I wanted this was kind of like inspired by that bubble look that I did for Halloween, with the music notes kind of coming out of my mouth. So I did one side that came completely out of my mouth and up across my eye and to my forehead, and then the other side that was just a little bit. So yeah, if you didn't notice, I drew all of the music notes backwards, so just keep that in mind when you're looking in a mirror, because it looks like it's the right way, but it's not. And then I also used this tattoo stamp of a heart from Milk. So here is the final look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I love the way this one came out. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and tuning to yet another video of my 14 days of love. I want you guys to comment your favorite love song down below in the comments, because I mean, hello, duh. As always, make sure to subscribe to me right here in the center of the screen and check out all of my other videos on the side. I love you guys to the moon and back, and I will see you in my next video, part of my 14 days of love. Bye.